Look what I shopped today. Can you guess? Name that fish! Yes! Name that fish. That is fresh. How many pompano? Ha 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 ha. Name that fish. And guess, male or female? Male or female? Male or female? Guess, 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 guess. Look how many that is. Shopping, shopping today. This one is unsay tawag ana sa ato kana bitang anchovies kanang kilawon nga bulinaw. Oh. Comments down below, comments down below, comments down below. Comments down below how many pompano. And what is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? No. Look at that shrimp. A lot of shrimp. Oh, see this little shopping here, guys. Guess how much I paid for today. Guess how much. Plus, mayroon pa ako dito sa baba. Bumili ako ng maraming saluyot. Saluyot is life. Saluyot is life, guys. And look at that. Oh, marami akong binili dito. Saluyot at sa kampal. Ayan, dito sa bag. I-freeze ko pa yan. Ayan. So, ayan. Thanks for watching. Comments in the comment section. Bye-bye!